beautiful glitteriness fantasy. Mambo. Stamp carefully. What's up everyone? I am Fabi Made Up, and today I sat down because I wanted to play with Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2 palette. What we're gonna do is create a smoky, sultry kind of look. There's two cream shades here. We're gonna use the darkest of the creams as the base, and we're gonna take it from there. I'm envisioning this as a night out kind of look, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm starting by dipping my IT Cosmetics 220 brush into the cream. This is gonna be our base. The colors in this palette really are gorgeous. I wanted to keep playing with it, you know? I don't want to just buy it because it's new and then forget about it. You know, there's some palettes that you do get and you just forget about. Somehow they make their way to the end of the drawer and you never use them again. The color story is rosy, but it's like a sophisticated rosy. It's not pink at all, or it's a chic rosy palette. And if you have a hooded eye like I do, don't forget to kind of look at the mirror straight and you'll see the parts of the shadow that get swallowed up by the lid. So here, it's everything that's inside that fold. It's kind of being swallowed up. So if I want the dark color to be apparent here on the crease, I then need to bring it further up. So let's do that on the other side. Now we're gonna work on softening these edges. So I'm gonna grab a clean brush and just very softly go over the edges. Now I'm gonna grab the lightest of the matte shades with my Sigma E35 brush. Continue softening the edges here. Now we're gonna go into this one and just kind of re-darken the outer V. Actually, instead of this fluffy brush, I think I'm gonna use another one that is more of a packer brush. This guy is fantastic. I think it'll lay down the powder. There we go. You see it's much more intense this way. All right, and now for the moment we've all been waiting for, or that I've been waiting for, glitter. We're gonna use this one. I'm just gonna put it on with my finger. I think that the fact that we started with a cream base is really helping it stick. Even though the previous look that I don't think I had a cream base. Oh no, never mind, yes, I did have a cream base. But anyway, yeah, look at that, this is beautiful. Bring it up to the crease. Just try to stay within this middle area. I'll just put on some more. Let's keep going. Oh, wow. I want more. Beautiful glitteriness fantasy. With the NARS eyeliner in Mambo. With this same pencil, I'm going to tightline the upper waterline. Is it a waterline or just a lash line? I wonder what it's called. Oh, I didn't get to use this shade. It's so pretty. Okay, so we're using this shade and we're just gonna stamp carefully. Stamp carefully. Oh my god, you know what? I think I need an even smaller, like a less dense one, a finer brush, and I have it. No, it's just me. It's not the brush. Dare I experiment at this point and risk it not looking good? I'm gonna risk it. I think that a darker black would be good. So for that, I have, what do I have? Scott, oh my god, my lisp with these braces. Scott Barnes Eyeshadow Mesmerize palette. It has two blacks, Panther and Black Lava. So, woo. Wow, now that's black. You see how it has like a blue pearlescence to it? The other one, it's more of a flat, like a chalky flat black. Zero shimmer, zero dimension. I'm gonna go with a flat one because I don't want to compete with any of the glitter that I have on. Much better. Stamping it. I'm not running it along the lash line. Oh, there we go. I put away these colors because you're gonna tempt me. Oh, they're already tempting me. No, I need to stay on course. I'm not gonna stay on course. Oh my goodness. Holy. Let's see if I can blend it out. Coming to the rescue is this brush that I hope is clean. Blend, blend. It's blending. I think that this look merits some lashes. There are the lashes. Now, what was I doing? What the hell was I doing? I think we're officially done. We've taken some risks. We prevail. I love it. It's gorgeous. And for that, I think you should give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.